Once upon a time in ancient China, there lived 3 old monks whose names have long been lost to history. They are simply known as the 3 laughing monks. These enigmatic figures were unique in their ways, for they never revealed their identities to anyone they encountered on their journey through the ancient lands of China. Instead, they left an indelible mark on the people they encountered through the simple act of laughter. The 3 laughing monks were a curious sight as they always traveled together, never parting ways or engaging in any other activity besides laughter. Theirs was a journey guided by joy, and they wandered from village to town, bringing mirth and merriment wherever they went. Whenever they entered a village or town, they would stand in the center of the main square, their faces beaming with joy, and they would start laughing. At first, it was a soft and gentle laughter, like a distant chime of bells, but slowly, like a gentle breeze turning into a gale, their laughter grew louder and more infectious. The people who lived and worked in the village or town couldn't resist the magnetic pull of this contagious laughter. It was as if an invisible force compelled them to join in, and soon the laughter would spread like wildfire. What began as a trio of monks laughing in the town square would soon transform into a small, joyous crowd of villagers, workers and passers-by, all laughing together. As the laughter resonated through the streets and alleys, it had a transformative effect on the entire community. Old grudges and grievances were forgotten, and the weight of daily life seemed to momentarily lift. In that moment, a deep sense of unity and harmony permeated the village or town. The 3 laughing monks understood the power of laughter as a universal language that transcended words. It was their only form of communication, and it was all they needed. Their laughter was their prayer, and their teaching was the profound lesson they imparted to the world without ever uttering a word. The 3 laughing monks would stay in the village or town until the laughter had spread to every corner, until every heart was lighter and every face bore a smile. It was a moment of pure, unadulterated joy. And then, as mysteriously as they had arrived, the monks would move on to the next village, their laughter echoing in the hearts of those they left behind. Their journey took them through the vast landscapes of ancient China, from bustling cities to remote hamlets, from the peaks of mountains to the banks of tranquil rivers. They encountered people from all walks of life, and their laughter became a bridge that connected them all. The legend of the 3 laughing monks spread far and wide. Stories of their travels reached distant provinces, and people eagerly anticipated their arrival. Communities would prepare festivals and feasts in their honor, knowing that the monks would bring not material wealth, but the priceless gift of laughter and unity. As they traveled, the monks witnessed the diversity of human experiences, the hardships and the joys that people faced. Yet through it all, they remained steadfast in their mission to spread laughter. Their presence became a source of solace for those burdened by sorrow and a source of inspiration for those seeking a brighter outlook on life. In their laughter, the monks carried the wisdom of the ages, a wisdom that spoke of the importance of finding joy in the simplest of moments, of embracing the shared humanity that bound all people together, regardless of their backgrounds or beliefs. The 3 laughing monks continued their journey for many years, their laughter leaving a lasting imprint on the tapestry of ancient China. They never sought recognition or fame. Their only desire was to bring smiles to the faces of those they met. As time passed, the monks themselves became legends, their story passed down from generation to generation. Though the names of the 3 laughing monks may have faded into obscurity, their message of laughter, unity, and the celebration of life endured through the ages. And so, in the annals of ancient China, the 3 laughing monks remain a symbol of the profound impact a simple act of joy can have on the world. A reminder that laughter has the power to transcend boundaries and bring people together in harmony, even in the most challenging of times. Their legacy lives on, a testament to the enduring power of laughter and the beauty of shared moments of mirth and connection. Please like and subscribe my channel and stay blessed.